today you're gonna do my hair. Let's get started.
So today is wash day for Makenzie, and we're going to use a new product. So this is our first impressions of this product. We were sent by Righteous Roots, and it is the Pre-Poo Pre-Wash Detangler. So thank you so much to Righteous Roots for sending us this. I'm really excited about trying this only because it takes so long to detangle Makenzie's hair. And not that she's tender-headed, but she just doesn't like her hair washed. She doesn't like her hair detangled, so it takes a long time. So I heard this product cuts wash day in half. So since it's a pre-poo, I'm gonna put it on her dry hair. So she had braids in her hair for about 2 weeks, and I just took them out this morning. Proven to cut wash day in half by melting tangles, safe for toddlers, kids, women, and men of all ages. How to pre-poo. Separate into 4 sections, which I'm about to do. Apply the pre-poo to dry hair. Then apply your favorite conditioner. Allow both products to sit for 5 minutes before detangling with a wide tooth comb. Wash hair each section at a time. So, which that is what we're about to do now. Let's smell it. What do you think it smells like?
Strawberries.
Strawberries? It's definitely coconut. It smells like a coconut cream pie. So it smells really good.
It's the Toddler.
The conditioner I'm going to use is Tailored Beauty, the Coconut Cream Conditioner. Alright, 5 minutes up. Time to use a wide tooth comb and to comb out through these sections. The Righteous Roots Pre-Poo is definitely oily. I put about 1/4 size in my palm and put it through her hair with the conditioner. So let's see. How does your hair feel?
Good.
Feels good?
I don't want to wash it.
You have to wash it.
No.
Okay, so I just washed out her hair, and I never thought about pre-pooing before, but it actually did take a lot faster to wash her hair. What do you think?
Good.
It was fast to wash your hair? And our struggle I didn't record washing out her hair because she does not like it. She screams, cries. Doesn't matter if anything. She doesn't like the water in her ears and things like that. So this is why I did not record that, because it would have just been a hot mess. So I just get it over with, wash her hair out. So I did wash her hair out in sections as the bottle said, and it felt very soft, very moisturizing, the oil, so it feels really nice. And then I just went with some shampoo. This is the shampoo that I used. Her hair feels so nice, right?
It was fast to my hair.
It was fast? Yeah. So these are her results. Nice. Hey. While I was detangling her hair with the products in there when it was dry, it was barely any shedding, which was very surprising since I haven't combed out her hair in so long. At the end, our review for the Righteous Roots Pre-Poo. We love it. I'm definitely going to use it again. since it was so much easier to detangle her hair, which is always a problem because look how long her hair is. Her hair smells like pure coconuts. You like it? What do you think?
Good.
Good? Okay. So definitely check out their page. I'll put their Instagram name right here. Thank you guys for watching.
Comment down below.
Comment down below.
Give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up.
That's not, this is your thumb. Follow us on Instagram at the Jane.
Bomb. Bye us. Stay awesome, kids.
Stay awesome, kids.
Bye. See you next week.